bored of your Instagram profile picture? Time to change it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram profile picture. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so that you can get more Instagram tips like this. Without further ado, let's jump straight into my Instagram and let me show you how you can change your Instagram profile picture. Let's go. Alright, first of all, open up your Instagram app, click on the bottom right, click on the 3 lines or the burger icon at the top right, go to your account center, find the profile that you want to change the picture. So for example, I want to change this Canon WK, so I want to change the profile picture. So upload new photo, use new photo. So I wanted this photo and I wanted it to edit. Alright, done. So you can see this is my new image. So I just want to put confirm changes. And then you see the photo update request is submitted. So, because I think mine is professional. So let's just refresh. And there, the profile picture has been updated. So yeah, so that's how easily you can update your profile picture. If you like what I share, do give me a like and subscribe to this channel so that you can get more social media tips like this. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next time. Goodbye.